A couple of years ago, we published a paper with the results of ray tracing with MS-39 IO power calculation in the post-myopic lasik eyes, and obtained very good results with around 75% of eyes, 77, with a prediction error within half a diopter. And that is one of the highest percentages ever published in the literature for this kind of eyes. Then we enrolled 65 more eyes and had unbelievable results that we would never publish because no reviewer would accept that we obtained 95% of eyes with a prediction error within half a diopter with an IO power calculation. Even in healthy virgin eyes, this would not be possible. But we obtained these results with MS-39 in post-myopic lasik eyes. And the second best formula was the Higgs combined to the total keratometry of IO master, better than Barrett and other. And so these are our two gold standard formulas, and we feel very confident when the results of the MS-39 ray tracing are equal to those of IDSTK. But in this case, there was a discrepancy. So I was not so sure which one should be followed. So the Higgs total keratometry or the MS-39. And it's nothing so strange. Here you see the map of the MS-39. You see a very small optical zone. And the average keratometry of the two devices is quite similar, 42, but the mean pupil power of ray tracing is much lower, 39. Usually the distance is not as high as it is in this case. So it's quite obvious to everybody that in this case the error is the radius error. It means that it's not a problem of converting the anterior radius into corneal power with the keratometric index. Of course, there's also this error. But when the optical zone is so small, of course, the main problem is that the instrument provides you a measurement of the anterior corneal curvature in the wrong place, it's large. And in fact, these are results in different formulas for this eye. All formulas are based on the K1 and K2 of the IO master. And you see that there is a range between -1 with the OFF-QSD and +3 with the EVO. And what about ray tracing? And we had remember that we had to plant an MA16A with a target of -2.5. And the ray tracing suggests, I don't know if you can read it, +4, so the highest IL power. It's difficult for me usually to select the method which is, I don't say an outlier, but at least at the extreme of the range, because we are ranging from -1 to +4. But I prefer in any case to stay with this because I had 95% of eyes with the prediction error very small. And so at the end, you see the range, it was the highest. So we implanted a +4 and had a -2.25. And if you look at the prediction error, you see that the prediction error was the lowest, +0.46, followed by very good performance of the EVO formula, and the worst was the OFF-QSD. By the way, ray tracing once more provided the most accurate solution in post-myopic eyes, because it's not limited to paraxial optics. It does not suffer from the radius error. So measurements are not only the paraxial one, but take the flattest central area into